So just a quick tip with your look cover right check. If you have the means, so if you don't mind printing out, if you've got a printer, you've got enough ink, and you don't mind actually creating resources for your child to make it that little bit more interesting and engaging for your child, I would suggest going onto this fabulous website called www.worksheetgenius.com, and there you can create spelling practice sheets, and they're designed exactly for the look cover right check method. So for example, these words are been, inside, better, coming, bird, and black. Your child will look at that word, cover it, will write it here, uncover it, and then check. So that's the first, second, and third attempts. So that's one quick tip. I find this really, really useful. And if you would like to learn how to use this website for not only this activity, but also for other purposes as well, then feel free to look at the video that has been placed at the end of this activity.